Throughout history, civilizations have feared one thing more than war or plague: the curse. From tombs that kill to statues that scream, these ancient curses have terrified generations. Are they real, coincidence, or something darker we don't understand? Let's uncover the top 10 ancient curses that still remain unsolved. 1. The Curse of the Pharaohs. When Howard Carter opened King Tutankhamun's tomb in 1922, he found gold, glory, and death. Soon after, Lord Carnarvon, who funded the dig, mysteriously died of blood poisoning. Over the next decade, more than 20 people connected to the tomb died under strange circumstances. Coincidence? Or the wrath of a 3,000-year-old king? 2. Otzi the Iceman's Curse. Otzi, a 5,300-year-old mummy found in the Alps, brought more than archaeological interest. 7 people involved in his discovery died bizarre, untimely deaths, including the lead pathologist and a mountaineer who helped retrieve his body. Some believe disturbing Otzi awakened something ancient and angry. 3. The Terracotta Army Curse. In 1974, farmers digging a well stumbled upon China's legendary Terracotta Army. It's said that those who unearthed the soldiers suffered financial ruin, unexplained illnesses, and fatal accidents. The site was meant to guard Emperor Qin Shi Huang in the afterlife, and maybe, just maybe, it still does. 4. The Bassano vase curse. Crafted in 15th century Italy, the Bassano vase was allegedly gifted to a bride, who died the same night. Whoever inherited the vase later, also met early, tragic deaths. It was eventually buried with a warning: beware, this vase brings death. 5. The Hope Diamond Curse. Beautiful but deadly, the Hope Diamond is said to carry a curse dating back to a stolen Hindu idol. Owners have faced madness, murder, suicide, and disgrace. Now it rests safely in the Smithsonian, or is it waiting for its next victim? 6. The Cursed Moai of Easter Island. The Moai statues guard Easter Island, but locals whisper of a curse. Those who disrespect or move them are said to face illness, accidents, and disasters. Some believe the statues are more than stone, they're watching. 7. The Brick from Babylon. A brick from ancient Babylon was stolen and displayed in a European museum. Shortly after, the museum experienced unexplained fires, staff injuries, and even deaths. The brick was returned, and the incident stopped. Did it carry a curse from Nebuchadnezzar's wrath? 8. The Curse of Timur's Tomb. In 1941, Soviet archaeologists opened Timur the Great's tomb in Uzbekistan. Inscribed on it, "Whoever opens this will unleash an invader more terrible than I." 3 days later, Hitler invaded the Soviet Union. The tomb was reburied with full rituals in 1942, just before the Battle of Stalingrad turned the tide of war. 9. The Black Aggie Statue. Placed over a grave in DC, the Black Aggie statue became linked to death, hauntings, and madness. Visitors reported glowing red eyes, hallucinations, and sudden illness. The statue was removed, but the legend still haunts the cemetery. 10. The Tomb of the Maya King. The tomb of King Pakal in Palenque is said to curse those who disturb it. After excavation, researchers reported accidents, hallucinations, and even death. Some link it to the 2012 Doomsday Theory, and claim the curse still lingers in the jungle ruins. Are these curses real, or just ancient warnings misread by modern minds? Whatever the truth, one thing is clear: the past doesn't like to be disturbed. Which curse gave you chills? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more forgotten legends and mysteries of history.